unnecessarily we are spending a time on the non-productive customers without understanding the need or requirement. Always he will welcomes me and he offers me coffee, but at the end of the day there will not be any productivity or productive work from both the sides. It's only I'm thinking I'm wasting his time. I'm not wasting my time, but I'm wasting his time. So that I will look at.
Need is the thanks.
Yesterday during our role play, my approach towards the customer, the way I spoke to him was wrong.
In what way? In specific way?
In specific way, when I spoke to a managing director who was not interested in the technicalities, so I would have approached him a different way. In his thing, I would have built a rapport to him rather than selling the product. So that thing was a very good.
Excellent. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. Anybody? Anyway, just raise it. Yeah.
So, yesterday, one of the things, generally we do the mind mapping.
Okay, don't say me. Your communication. I specific. You cannot answer.
Sorry. I generally, do the mind mapping of customer, like, different needs and whether the customer requires or not. But it is only, in abstract way. Okay, I know that the customer is at what stage and how it is and all. But yesterday, one of the things I learned is like, the needs, different types of needs. It may be strong need, how to classify. Strong needs.
Yes.
Active need.
Correct.
Like that.
Very nice. Good point. I think you were saying something, Prashant.
So I need to listen more to understand, not to react.
Understanding is actually that is where the value proposition will happen. And why did you feel so?
Off late, I mean, it's just that inherent. How do I put it across? I feel that this is happening over a period of time.
Okay,
So I need to slow down a bit.
fine. You slow down, like when you go with an open mind. Go with an open mind. In fact, just leave it here. Selling when needs are absent may lead to a lot of objections. This is what is happening yesterday.
Assume, don't assume, as you and me.
Yes. If the needs are abstract and not formed clearly, the selling process will still lead to some objections, which we saw here yesterday. Creating concrete needs will make your process very smooth. That is the crux of the value system. Yeah. Anybody else beyond needs? Yeah.
Like the system approach to improve the bottom line and top line.
Oh yeah, good. I forgot that point. Yeah.
Yeah, the 5 stage of process.
Okay.
Establish trust, justify benefits,
So top line and bottom line. Yes.
and finally get yes from the customer side.
Yes. Getting the yes from the customer.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have one personal experience.
What is it?
Actually, 3 years back when I joined here, that mining customer who was not at all taking our machines. And once myself and Nandan sir we gone there, once everything finalized, so initially I was more of talking to technical background. So and he was a VP, as you rightly mentioned yesterday, he was not at all bothered. So what your technical things, what is your features? So in spite he may be knowing, but he have a hell lot of other issues. And every time when we gone for negotiation, he used to tell, you don't tell all those technical things, Baba, you please tell me the price, what you can give, what is the best price you can give. So once started 2-3 meetings, I realized, so there is no fun in talking technical things with him. Even 1 week, 10 days if you wait, he never used to give any decisions. So then finally we realized, so this person is a purely commercial person. So then we started concentrating and only technical we used to finalize in one stage. So only with him we used to talk about commercials. So that is how we build relationship and trust. So
Wonderful, very nice. See, what really happens is engineers have a strength. In what way engineers score over other people is in terms of your logical thinking, analytical approach, problem solving. Okay. Now, going from the fundamentals, which again I am discussing great detail in the book. But sometimes that itself becomes a disadvantage. What is it?